Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out LeboView. Today I want to tell you about something that you need to be aware of if you have Time Warner cable. Now I have Time Warner cable, high-speed internet only. We cut the cord a long time ago for TV, and I'm always looking to try to stay under a certain dollar amount for my high-speed internet. However, because of all the videos that I do, I need to have something that moves relatively quick. Whenever they first came out with the pay for your modem monthly type thing, I went ahead and turned in my Time Warner cable modem, and I bought the exact same model. That's this one here. It's a Scientific Atlantic, and it's a 2100, and it was a really good modem, and it was doing everything that I needed. But the fact that they wanted to start charging me $4 a month for something that I could buy for $20 used online just seemed ridiculous. So I went ahead again, turned in my old one that was Time Warner's property, and I bought my own, and I've been using it. Now, I had a problem at some point with speed on my internet. I bought the standard plan with the turbo upgrade. On the turbo plan, they said that you'll have speeds up to 20 megabytes per second on downloads and up to 2 megabytes per second on uploads. Well, I did speed test after speed test after speed test, and I always hovered around 18, 17, somewhere in that range. And as far as uploads, it was always about 1.87 megabytes, 1.63 megabytes. That was all the highest I would ever get. So it was kind of frustrating. I was thinking, well, I guess it's just one of those things that they say up to, and they don't really ever meet that speed, which I find kind of odd, but I went ahead and lived with it. Then whenever they had some pricing changes, I called in and got a little bit better of a rate. And at the time I told them, listen, if you're going to bring my rate up a little higher, is there any kind of promotion if I go into the next tier of speed? In the extreme package, you get 30 megabytes download speed and up to 5 megabytes per second upload speed. And I thought, you know, that's going to be really nice, because if I get up to 5, that's going to like double what I already currently have, or at least, even if it doesn't meet that upload speed, which would be really nice to do some of the videos that I'm doing as far as uploads. It'd go a lot faster. We have a lot of Roku streaming through Netflix and through Amazon Prime. So there's a lot of things that I'm always concerned about as far as whenever I check the speeds, I make sure nobody else is on, that nothing else is doing an update or anything. And then at that point I check my speeds. Well, I got the new package, and it was a little bit more a month, like I said. And this extreme speed, I went ahead and checked it, and it wasn't that great. It was like 22 megabytes per second on the download, and on the upload it was like 2.38. And I thought, well, that is a step up from what I had, but it's not even close to what they said it was going to be. So I was kind of concerned, and I talked to my daughter's fiance. He said to take my laptop, plug it directly into the modem, and take a look and see what the speeds were there. And I did, and the speeds weren't any better. So I know that my router wasn't slowing things down, because I have a really nice router. And I let it go for some time because I was having a hard time deciding which modem I may want to go to. And talking with Time Warner, there wasn't anything really clearly being stated that told me one way or the other which modem I should buy and if it was going to make an improvement. So I went ahead and I ditched this modem and I bought a new one. The review that I'm doing on is an Arris SURFboard. It's a part number SB6121, and then there's a bunch of letters, DOCSIS 3.0 cable modem. I knew by reading some of the reviews on it that this was going to be the modem that I wanted to make my computer run a little bit faster, or my network run a little faster. I just didn't know how much faster. So when I went ahead and did a speed test, I got some incredible results. All right, so let me show you what the difference is now. We'll go ahead and click. I'll let this thing run. You can see what it looks like here. Sorry about the glare. I've got quite a few lights going on in here. Let me see if I can change the glare a little bit for you. You can see 37 megabytes per second. And it just keeps on going. And this is the way it's been every single day since I've gotten this new modem. So there you go, 37.23 megabytes per second on the download speed. Now it went ahead and did a ping, and there's my upload speeds, and check that out. I am doing 5, almost 6 megabytes per second. Now it's over 6 megabytes per second on the upload. I've never seen these kind of speeds before, ever. That is incredible, 6.37 megabytes per second. I'll tell you what, I couldn't believe that a modem make that kind of difference. Now, the modem that I bought, it was a refurbished one. I'm going to put the link down below, and it's going to cover this exact same one. So what's this mean to you? This means if you're a Time Warner cable customer and you have the Extreme plan and you are still sporting the modem from your old Turbo plan, it's a really good idea to get into a new modem, and this modem works for me and will probably work for you. There's a big long list of modems that you can choose from on Time Warner Cable to purchase on your own, and this one's in that list, and it's one of the least expensive ones. So if you have an Extreme package and you were running Turbo or something less than that, and if you do a speed test and you're finding that you're not getting the kind of speeds that you think you should, which should be in the 30 megabyte per second range for downloads and 5 megabytes uploads, if you're not getting that, you may want to look at your router to make sure there's no congestion there, which I knew there wasn't a problem. That's a really nice router that I have. And then the modem. The link is going to be down below for the modem. Click the link, it'll take you right to it. You can purchase it when it gets to your house. Just go ahead and hook it up. You call Time Warner. There's a number that you can call that they give right on their website. You tell them what you have, you give them some information, they do a change on their system, and boom, it works, and it's immediate. And I could not believe it. Again, you've seen the speeds, I was shocked. Well, I appreciate you guys watching my review. Thanks, bye.